Hey, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we'll demonstrate the add command. We are back to our bash terminal. Let's see where we are. pwd. So we are in the git fast directory in the user's home directory. Let's check out the contents of this directory using the ls command. Okay, there are several directories out here as you can see, and all these directories have been created from our efforts in the earlier lectures. So let's cd into the directory myrepo from scratch. I press tab for auto completion, press enter, and we get into myrepo from scratch. Let's check the contents of the directory ls. Okay, so the directory is clean and empty. Okay, let's now create a file using the vi command. Vi demo file 1. Let's press enter. We are in the vi editor now. So let's add some simple contents. Let's press the I key on the keyboard for inserting contents in the editor. And here goes our contents. We are soon going to demonstrate the usage of add command. Press escape key, type :wq to quit with saving, press enter, and we are out of our editor. Let's check the content of our file, and here is the content that we have just now added. Let's clear the screen. Okay, so briefly I'll tell you about a command called git status before I demonstrate the usage of the git add command. So let's see what git status does. Remember, we'll be talking about git status in detail in subsequent lecture. Press enter. So this is git status. So basically, git status tells us the status of our working directory and the staging area. So that's it, what you need to know now. So here it says we are on the branch master. It says that demo1 is an untracked file. So untracked file means this file is not being tracked by Git. Git starts tracking a file once you issue a git add command. So here is our untracked file demo file 1, and the terminal conveniently shows us the font in red color so that we can identify an untracked file very quickly. So we have not done any commit. As you can see, nothing added to commit, but untracked files present, which is pretty much obvious, and it says to use the git add command to track. So let's clear the screen. Okay, now we'll use the git add command. So git add, and we type out the name of our file, demo file 1. Press enter. Let's clear the screen, and let's check now what was the effect of issuing the git add command. So we'll issue the command git status once again, and bingo, our demo file 1 has been staged. This is clearly evident from this response of Git, which says use git rm -- cached file name to unstage. So this means by issuing the add command, the file has been staged. It also says that we are on the branch master, and it is pretty much clear that the next step after staging is the commit state. So it says that whatever changes you have made in the staging area needs to be committed. We'll talk about commit definitely in the subsequent lecture. And for convenience that it has been staged, it shows the demo file 1 in green font so you can quickly identify the status of your file. Okay, so now I'll show you how to unstage. So for if some reason you want to backtrack the changes in your staging area, you can also do that. So git rm dash dash cached and the name of the file, which is demo file 1 in our case. Press enter. Let's clear the screen and we issue the git status command once again. And bingo, the file has been unstaged. This is pretty much evident from whatever you can see in the screen. Number 1, it talks about the untracked file again. That means the file was being tracked by Git when you issued the git add command, and after unstaging, it is no more tracked by Git. The font color of the demo file 1 has become red again to conveniently indicate us that the file has been unstaged.